Hello and welcome. Icebreaker Speech is the first ever speech you give in your journey to become public speaker in Toastmasters. The best way to write Icebreaker Speech is not to Google, YouTube or take inspiration from other Icebreaker speeches. Instead, you know very well which incident made a lasting impact on you. What do you genuinely like? How do you feel about your family and friends? For example, my icebreaker speech was all about my love for reading, cricket, and how I had to repeat ninth standard due to being terribly poor in maths. Similarly, you also can take your story from there to where you want to see your future self. Remember, icebreaker speech is all about yourself. The time duration is 4 to 6 minutes. May you give best icebreaker speech ever. Thank you.